basically a pro.
Out of like out. All right, here we go. Let's do some unboxing, and then I have a ski story that I want to tell before we go. But these videos make people famous. This is going to be like that. To give a little background story,
also
my wife.
like 25 plus minutes into the video, you have to go to.
I know. I'll clip it out someday. Anyway, so my wife, to give a little background, has a favorite family member. It might not be me. I arrived home one day, a few days ago, and waiting here is this giant box. And I was like, "Ooh, Christmas is coming early."
Oh, the favorite
right?
family member is Maple.
It's for my dog Maple. So I guess what happened was when she went to buy Maple's Christmas present, instead of she got some sort of coupon where if she paid $50, she got.
Brent, can you pay attention to the knife,
off.
please?
It'll be fine. It's like a kitchen knife. Anyway, so we got a dog bed, and now I guess Heather wants to see what the dog bed looks like. So we're unboxing Christmas early this year for Maple.
I was going to say, is everyone okay with you doing this unboxing right now, or are you going to regret this?
No, I think this is okay because it's for Maple. Maple, don't look. My dog is sleeping in the corner, so she should be okay.
She won't
Her
know.
name and wake her up.
Here we go. Oh, look at that. She gets this bed. Now, do you guys think she
Looks
would
pretty
like this
comfy.
bed?
I'd sleep in it.
I think it looks pretty good. You think Mabel will like it?
Find
it'll
out.
work.
We should try it out on camera.
Well, she's too busy sleeping. Well, so
Perfect.
the reason
She wants
I
to
have
sleep
unbox
already.
this now is because Heather's at Costco, and she thinks that she might have one that's fluffier. And
Oh.
of course, Maple needs the fluffiest of beds. So she's either gonna. Oh, I gotta take a picture of it maybe and send it to her. She's either gonna get that one or.
Brent, you should take a picture of yourself curled up on it. No, seriously, you should put it on the floor and just like curl up like a dog on it and be like, "It's good." Then selfie mode it. Do it. Do it.
looks fluffy.
It's for the views, Brent.
Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can demean myself that much.
No, you can do it.
I want
believe in
to,
you.
but I don't know if I can. All right, let's see what else she got in this box. So she also got. She's getting the good stuff.
Is that
She
a
has a
bone or
bone.
a tug of war thing?
Extra large, flat,
bone.
knotted bone. This will last Maple probably half a day, if we're lucky. And a hidden hide and slide.
He doesn't even know what it is. That's like
toy.
that's
I
like
don't even know
the
what this is.
that's like when the kids open the present and is like, "Oh, it's great. What is it?"
It's a giant puzzle for our dog. If this is what Maple's getting, I feel like I have a good shot of getting a very nice Christmas this year. If she put
No,
half
the whole
thought
budget's
that
on
she did,
Maple. The whole budget went to Maple.
It might be.
No, there's no might. It definitely did.
That bed does look pretty fluffy though.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. I think it will be fine. I don't know why she thinks she needs another one, but that's I want her to be happy and having a good
Maybe
dog
she's
bed for
trying to
Maple.
tell you something, Brent.
She needs a better
Another-
mattress.
Another dog on the way.
Oh. We're expecting another puppy
We're
under the
expecting
tree.
another puppy.
I'm just saying, like, two
We
beds.
talked- We have two beds already.
One
so
of
I don't
the
know.
other
3 beds.
3 beds. Better than 2 puppies.
So-
Twins.
one of the other